So if a patient puts a call up, that message will be raised on the system and it will come through to the IQ Messenger. That can be accepted by a member of staff. When a nurse comes into the room, she can swipe in and it identifies her name as who's attending to the call. It then opens up the workflow station and the patient information screen. This allows the nurse to see who's in the room, any important notes, and allows her to interact with the medical record systems. By going into the workflow and task management, if another service is required by the patient, such as catering or a porter to take them to x-ray, etc., medical lab results or observations, they can be raised on the system from this terminal. So the nurse can select a porter and she can type in a bespoke message, such as this patient requires an x-ray. And then that can be sent out to the IQ Messenger. And when it's received on the phone, you can see that it's got the porter call, the location, and then my typed in message just requesting an x-ray.